Oh,
I think it looks beautiful. I mean, really, I think it's a great pinky ring. So we have 5 and 6 only. I'm going to let you know when that's gone, but we're going to move on to the drop earrings. Okay. Oh, boy, this is just going so fast. And this visit only, $44.90, down from $59.90. 377781 is the item number. And, you know, when we talk about different and special, I know we have a lot of, you know, we do garnet in earrings. I want you to talk about the beadings and how this is set and how this is special to Bali.
Okay. Well, in Indonesian, the name is called Jawan, which is balls. What they do is they melt little pieces of silver. They melt it into a ball, and they put it all the way around. They solder it all the way around.
I have to be honest. The name in English,
one by one.
If you call these the balls earring, I don't think that is romantic. How do you say it in Bali?
Jawan.
Jawan. Okay, these are the Jawans. This is the way that they're tiny little, you know, round circles of.
They're melted silver balls, and they're soldered around the setting. But look, if you look at it, look how pretty that looks.
It is
beautiful. I mean, it's like a crown of balls.
And it is bezel set. And it's a genuine garnet, and the color saturation on your stones. Are you particular about the color saturation in your stonework? Or you?
I just, you know, I just love that medium garnet color.
Yeah.
I don't like it too dark. I don't like it too light.
It still has the light coming through it.
It does.
Which is nice, because garnet can be so dark that it looks opaque.
Yes.
And too light that it looks like not enough.
Yeah. Well, this is just a beautiful wine color garnet.
Okay, yeah, oh, there it is, Jawan. I didn't want to say that. Okay, so you get 2 rows of beaded border with a center stone. It's pierced with a French wire. So those of you who enjoy the French wire, this is your earring. We have it for you available at, I think, do I have Flex? Okay, it's $44.90, but we do have a price drop. We don't have FlexPay, this particular one, 377781. But what I do have is this visit only. So if you would like to get it now, because it's going to go up right after this visit.